Well, I'm back down here today and it's time just to remove the last of the rubbish out of the shed. And that's mainly all soiled cardboard underneath there and some rat droppings underneath there that have been pushed through the corner, which I've got to sweep up, which I'm going to put a mask on for, and gloves, same down there, droppings, dried. Obviously if you look over there in the corner you'll see where they were coming in. I think I'm going to take this shed down eventually. I don't like it. It's quite damp when it's so it's got holes in cracks where rain's coming in, and that's going to go. I think I'll keep the blocks, they'll come in handy for the next shed I put up, which I'm going to make a bigger one, which I'm going to bring up all the way up to here, so possibly about an 8x10. I'm going to have a go at chopping these brambles away, give myself a bit of room around there behind the shed as well today. All the other rubbish is now been taken away. There's a little bit left. I've got a little bit left inside this black bin here. A little bit in there. And there's a couple of buckets up the end. But yeah, I'm getting there. It's a nice day, so I thought I'd come and do a little bit more. It's dry. A bit cold, but moving around, so tend to keep warm, don't you, when you're moving around. So yeah, that's it today. Clear up this shed, get the rat crap out, bag it all up, empty that bin, so that's full to the top of God knows what, and I'll call it a day after that. Right, see you later. Bye. Right, done. That's better. Much better. Pleased with that. It's nice and tidy. Finally. And I also had a little go at these brambles and what have you around here, just to try and clear it down, cut it down, clear it down. Eventually I'll clear it all away soon. But for now I'll leave it maybe a week just for them to die off a little bit. I'm sick of getting caught on the bloody brambles and scratching my legs and my hands and my face. So go on the back, got all that down as well, chopped all that way down. So had a good go. Happy today with that. Lovely jubbly. Bye Annie, I'm off. See you later. Oh yeah, one more quick thing. Somehow I've managed to get over 100 followers, so if you're following me, thank you very much. I appreciate the support. I don't know if you find my videos that interesting, but I'm glad you do if you do. Like any likes and any comments, I'm very pleased and thankful for. And I do support people back, so I do follow people back, and I do like and chat sometimes on their posts. And there's a lot of interesting TikTokers out there that are doing something similar, allotments and gardening. So anyway, I appreciate anybody that follows me. Thanks very much. Bye again.